Hey, friends! I have something new to share with you. I am so excited to share with you a little bit more today about how to get glowing skin. We have a new campaign that just launched with Campaign 13, and look at that. So many great vitamin C products I'm going to share with you that is going to help your skin glow, not just your face, but your body too. So, are you ready? Let's dig in. Let's talk all about all the new things vitamin C. I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. We're going to kick it off first with our new vitamin C overnight mask. This bottle of packaging is so good. So this is a whipped mask. You apply after cleaning. Oh, it smells so good. It's kind of a whipped texture. You apply after cleansing, treating your skin, and moisturizing your skin. So it's the last step that you're going to use. I just got that all over my desk. It's the last step that you're going to use before you go to bed at night. And what it's going to do is it's going to hydrate your skin. It's going to help with those fine lines, those wrinkles. But the best part is it's going to give your skin a little added glow. I mean, summer's here. We need some glow, right? So it's loaded with vitamins A, C, and E, and it's going to help moisturize and do all the things that your skin needs. It's going to visibly improve skin tone, and it's infused with shea butter, sunflower seed oil, and it's going to help nourish and moisturize. I love shea butter. And then to think about putting it as a last step on my face, hello, can't beat that. So the cool thing about all of these vitamin C products I'm going to show you is with the purchase of any two, you're going to get a free gift. This is our Illuminating Primer Moisturizer. So I use this most mornings after I treat my face, and I use this as my moisturizer. It helps set that face for a great prime so that your makeup will have something to attach to, but it has a little added glow to it. I love this cream. So it is very lightweight, and it doesn't really have any color to it. It's kind of a nude color, which is great for a primer, but it just goes on and it kind of gives it a little added glow with the added vitamins in it that we all need. How many oranges do you really eat a day? Probably not enough to make your skin glow like these vitamin C products are going to. But that's not it. I'm not done. Don't leave. Okay. The next thing I'm so excited. Good morning, girl. Hey, Jacqueline. So the next thing I'm excited to share with you is the launch of our new vitamin C dry body oil. Look at that. It's so cute. So this goes on your skin. It's plant-based. A body oil. It has vitamin C and E in it, and it quickly melts into the skin to instantly hydrate and visibly brighten your skin. Yes, I gotta get back over here in the light a little bit because apparently my light just went out. That's okay. So it's very lightweight. It's not super oily. I know a lot of times with dry oils, that's a concern that people have. So I tried it when I got out of the shower today, and it just is really lightweight. It just seeps right in. And especially in the summertime when you don't want to put a lot of thick moisturizer like lotion on, a dry body oil is a great option. I was looking to see if it has any smell. I'm not really picking up maybe like a little bit of a citrus smell, but not like a huge citrus smell. So summertime, if you're wanting your skin to have that little added glow, but you don't want a lot of thick moisturizer, a dry body oil is a great option. Again, just going to remind you, 2 purchases, you're going to get the free priming lotion. Okay? I'm so excited. This all launched today. It's like a playground for girls that love things that make them glow. Look at this. This is our Illuminating Body Serum. So this is a great skin illuminator. It also has moisturizer in it, and it's going to give your skin a little bit of a glow. But this, to me, is something great if you're going out. So I'll just put just a little bit on. It is a little bit thinner, so it's not super thick, but it's going to give your skin, I wish my light was working so that you could see the glow. It has a little bit of illumination to it. So if you're wearing like a lower cut shirt and you're wanting like your neck area or your décolletage area to have a little added glimmer, then it's going to be great for that. Look at that. Ooh, yes. And it's going to give you that added little glow on your skin. This is a huge bottle. It's 6.7 ounces, huge. It is loaded with vitamin C and E, and it visibly improves skin texture and boosts radiance. Made with sunflower seed oil and vitamin B5, can help skin retain essential moisture, light reflecting pigments. That light reflecting pigments is going to be that little bit that's going to give you that glow after you apply it. It's so cool. I love it. Okay, so buy these two, you get this one for free. Okay, I'm going to keep going. We're not done. So many good things. We also have our new, and this is the products that I am most excited about. I used it the other day and I was like, holy crap, this is freaking cool. I've been waiting for one of these. So how many of you guys have fine lines and wrinkles around your lips? Or maybe you have a really dry lips. You feel like they're just drying out, probably from wearing masks and things like that. This is a lip scrub, vitamin C lip scrub. So you're going to just take a little bit and you're going to, I'm going to show you the texture here. You're going to scrub it on that lip area, and it is kind of like a, it's got some little beads in it. I don't think you can see because my light went out. But you're going to scrub it on the lip area all around really good. After you take your makeup off, do the scrub then. And then after you rinse that off, you're going to add your vitamin C lip balm. Look at this. I am in love with this. So it's very lightweight. It feels amazing. And it gives your lips that little added glow. While you're sleeping, it's going to plump up your lips. It's going to give it that added moisture. And, ooh, girl, you're going to be like, ooh, I'm rocking it. I was going to check for smell. I'm a smell girl. I like to know what it smells like. Doesn't really even have a smell to it. The scrub does have a little bit of a citrusy smell. But remember we were talking about when you buy 2 products, you get 1 free? Hello. Hello. Buy these 2. Let me hold that right there. Buy these 2 and you get the Illuminating Primer for free. You can use this as many times as you want. If you want to use it every night, you can use it. There's no danger in using it a couple of times a week if you don't want to over exfoliate. But it's a great set. So excited. Okay. What else do we have launching this campaign? Of course, we have our vitamin C serum. Great. It's loaded with like 40 oranges worth of vitamin C. Great for brightening out that skin, evening that skin tone. This is a treatment. So you would cleanse your face. Then you would use your treatment of the vitamin C serum, and then you would put your moisturizer on top of it. I mean, yes, everybody needs vitamin C. Vitamin C. Okay. So that is all in the vitamin C line. But that's not all I have for you because I'm so excited. Our new makeup launched this campaign, and I've been kind of teasing you guys that it was coming. And I did my makeup this morning. If my light was working, you would see it. It's so pretty. So pretty. So here is the new eye palette. It is our Love eye palette. These colors are amazing. So it comes with, was it 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 eye pods. The middle is matte. The outsides are a glimmer color. I'm going to swatch some of these colors for you. I've got all this skincare here on my arm. So look at those color payoffs. Yes, girl. Woo! Yes. Love this palette. It's so pretty. So this just launched this campaign. It is $32, and so you're going to get all of those colors to be able to wear. If you have a makeup lover in your life, this is going to be a great gift to order now and put up for Christmas. I'm already thinking Christmas presents. How about you? I start early. I'm like an early Christmas shopper. But that's not it. How many of you have ever tried a glow bead? So glow beads are something that you can use to help highlight your skin, to give it that added like shimmer or glow, especially if you're one that doesn't want to wear a lot of makeup. Maybe you just want to put a little added glow to your face. This is going to be the product that you love. Charlie, it's okay. Sorry, my pup's barking. Look at those glowing beads. They are so cute. You could use those as a highlighter. You could use them as a blush. You could even use it as a bronzer. So these are the two colors. It's Wild Hearts and Queens of Hearts. And I am in love with these products. So you just take your blush brush or your contour brush and swirl it around. It'll pick up the color on the beads, and then you apply it on your face. So that's what I have on my cheeks today. I'm actually using this one on my cheeks today. It's so pretty. Okay, I'm almost done. Don't leave me. I have one more exciting product to share with you this campaign. This is our new Love Bronzer Great Mirror. This is shade My Sunshine. It actually comes in 3 shades, so I've been waiting for an amazing bronzer. I used it today to just kind of contour the outer layers of my face, but I'm going to show you in a makeup tutorial tomorrow on Jennifer Woolsey Beauty Biz on Facebook how to actually use these products. I already did them today, but I wanted to show you. Ooh, look, that's cool. I wanted to show you how they work. So these come in 3 different shades. It's a great bronzer to add to your makeup routine. So all of these products launch today. You can check them out on my website, youravon.com/jwoolsey, or with the representative that shared with you today. It is campaign 13, and you can just hop in. You can click shop brochure, and you can actually shop through the brochure and look at all the products, or you can look up the products that you want individually. So excited. Check them out today. Let me know, what do you think in the comments? What is your favorite product? What are you excited to try? If you want some recommendations, if you need my help to help you find like perfect color matches, or even which vitamin C product is going to be best for you, definitely drop me a comment here or private message me, and I will hook you up with a consultation, and we'll get the products that are perfect for you. I'm dreaming of paradise, so I have to have the glowing skin to get me going there. Thanks so much for watching. Share this video. Somebody else may want these tips, and thank you for supporting my small business. Follow me on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram at Jennifer Woolsey Beauty Business. I love you guys. Have a great day.